Welcome back. In this video, we're making a buffalo chicken sub. For the brine, buttermilk, hot sauce, and pickle juice. Season with salt and pepper, whisk until combined, then add boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cover, and place into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Dredge the chicken in flour, pressing to adhere. Into a deep fryer they go, at 350 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes, or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Season with salt while they're still hot, brush the chicken with hot sauce. For the blue cheese, mayo, sour cream, onion, buttermilk, lemon juice, and blue cheese crumbles. Season with salt and pepper, whisk until combined. Onto a toasted hoagie roll, your blue cheese, lettuce, 2 pieces of buffalo fried chicken, red onion, bread and butter pickles, some more blue cheese sauce on the top half, crown your sub, and there we have it, a buffalo chicken sub. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.